father, the father founding of Basic Investors, Honorable Mr. Fuad Al-Mutakin, the Director of Basic Investors, and respectable Ms. Usama, the Supervisor of Success Meeting, and the Honorable Brother Haikal, the Chief of Success Meeting, and unforgettable Honorable Brother and Honorable Sister. Today, I will not tell you the same motivation you always hear. I will not say never give up. I will not say believe in yourself. I will not say just be yourself, because today I want to talk about the other side of motivation. Motivation sounds beautiful, but if we understand it in the wrong way, as motivation can be issues us from growing. At the first, I hear that people say, never give up. Do you agree with this opinion? Never give up. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, but what if you actually chosen a wrong way? If you chosen a wrong way, do you still should never give up? I think no.
No.
Because if you chosen the wrong way and you didn't stop, you will be lost. I mean, first of all, I'm so nervous. When I'm nervous, I will forget everything I want to talk. Sorry.
You can talk about everything.
Okay. And after that, I want to talk about. I have heard if someone say, believe in yourself, just be yourself. Do you agree with that? But what if yourself is lazy? What if yourself is don't want to learn and don't want to grow up? Now, should you still be yourself?
No.
No, chance. And yeah, although nobody is perfect, nobody is perfect, and don't try to be perfect. Do you agree with that? Do you agree with that?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, I know nobody is perfect, but why should we stop trying? I mean, every greatest people in the world didn't become great if they stop chasing perfection. Maybe we will not be perfect, but chasing perfection makes us best version of ourselves, or at least better than yesterday. And the last, people say just like relax, you still have time, and but I'm not so agree, because I mean time will not waiting us. Like if you say I will study tomorrow, I will do it later, I will start tomorrow, just tomorrow. But yeah, the main of time is will not waiting us. So if you still think that time still waiting you, you will not catch your dream. You will not catch your dream job. You will not catch everything, because yeah, time cannot stop. Time always walk. Time always run, maybe walk. I don't know, but time is always around. Wow, look at there. Even my time here was over. So the conclusion is don't wait to the right time. Don't wait for the right time because when sometimes when you want to start, your time already over. Okay, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum